guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to get some tips on hair care, body care, skin care, and if you want to watch lots of hauls, then you are at the right place because this is a haul video. As I said, in my birthday, get ready with me on my birthday. I hope you watched that video. If you haven't, then I will add the link and everything. So over there I said that I shopped a lot. I shopped lots of clothes, random things. So this is a clothing haul. So it's a collective haul of Flipkart and Amazon. So I bought so many things like tops, dresses, sleepwear, so many things are there. So I thought for only Amazon or Flipkart it will be kind of short, so I thought that I will combine the two and make one video. So let's begin with the Flipkart. So first top is the top which I am wearing right now. So the top is off shoulder. It's a beautiful top. It has this ruffled pattern over here, so like it gives a very gorgeous feel to the top. It's like very loose for me. If you are planning to buy this top, like I will suggest you guys to go size down because like it's a very loose top. Like its pattern is like it's straight, it's not body fitting. And talking about the material, quality of the cloth, it's not cotton, so it's not that uncomfortable, but it's at the same time it's not very comfortable as well. Like if you are into YouTube and like making and shooting videos and clicking lots of pictures, then this top will look amazing. This makeup look I created in just 5 minutes. So if you are on a like very short time and you are running out of time and you have some calls or some anything, like you have very little time, then you can like go for this look. I have posted this look on Instagram, so you can check out my Instagram and follow me there. So this price is of just rupees 399, and I guess at this price it's a steal deal. Like I loved it. So coming on to the next top is this top. I have not even taken out the tag. So this is a very simple basic top, orange color. Like I didn't had any orange color tops or dresses, so I got one more dress in orange color. So I loved it. It's just rupees 295. The material is like okayish kind of. The like brand is Diva, but yeah, it's okayish. Like in summer it will be little bit irritating, but like for the like season coming ahead, like it's a very simple normal top, reasonably priced. It was little bit tight for me, so I am thinking about returning it. So that's why I have not taken the tag out yet. So let's see. So coming on to the dresses part of Flipkart haul 2020. So like this is the dress I got. I will add the clip as well, or the photograph like I'm wearing. So this is the like dress. I absolutely love this dress, and like the length is also perfect. It comes till your knee. It's like little bit of this, and the material is just fabulous. It's not like irritating or itching for your skin. So I absolutely love, especially for this color. Like I didn't had, as I said, I didn't had this color in my wardrobe and I wanted to get it. Price of this dress is 529. As I said, everything in this haul, like clothing haul, is under 700 rupees, be it tops, dresses, sleepwear, pajamas, like what not, everything is under 700 rupees. So the next dress which I absolutely loved, and I wore this on my birthday, like again I will say check out the video. Like I used it for the transformation, and like this is such an elegant, like we all need a black dress in our wardrobe. So this is a very simple and elegant dress. Like the length is like past knees, like little bit more, so it's kind of a midi, not short dress. And at the back you will get this detailing, like you will like, and then it's a little bit of like deep down there. and then it's a sleeveless dress. I love wearing sleeveless dresses, so I will add a small clip from my like get ready with me for my birthday video, so you can check out how the dress is looking. I absolutely loved it. It's like very thick material, gives a very classy vibe, and the price of this 654 rupees, and I guess in 654 rupees like I got an amazing dress. So now coming on to the Amazon clothing haul part, like we all know when we shop from Amazon, it's like a hit or a miss, and that that's what happened with me. Like some pieces I didn't like, so I will share those with you as well. Like I will share my experience. So let's start with the let's start with this like halter neck top or underdress, like whatever you will call it. It's like a halter neck thing. Like I liked it. It was somewhere around 250 or 300 rupees, but I guess like normal price only, nothing like कुछ मतलब अमेजिंग डील नहीं मुझे मिला है. लाइक 300 में वी गेट गुड halter neck simple pieces. So the quality is good. I will not say that the quality is not good. Quality is good, everything is fine. Like it's a little bit short. Like if you are going for something like little bit short, like if you want to wear it under any dress or any top, then like this is it. So the next item of this Amazon clothing haul or Amazon haul is this skirt. Like this looks gorgeous. Like can you see? I love red color. Like this is such a beautiful gorgeous piece. Like it's look too bright and too red. It's not that red, but yes, it's a beautiful dress. The pattern is like this, but the thing with this skirt is it's too short. It's like not little bit, it's way too short. Like I am not into wearing such small skirts, so I don't know if I can show the skirt to you or not. But yeah, and the quality was also not that good, what I felt. Like it was okayish, not good. Like the price of this skirt was 500 rupees, and I feel in 500 rupees like we'll get many amazing skirts. We can get amazing skirts, so that's the deal for me. But yeah, like okay, I have mixed feeling. Going on to the next item, I bought one kurta as well. Like I thought आगे festive season आ रहा है, like for नवरात्रि or like whatnot. So like we'll need simple kurtas जो मतलब we can do like style up at home as well. Like if, as you know, we are not going out. So yeah, like this is little bit of gray and this in color. So if like very simple kurta, like beautiful, it looks amazing. I absolutely loved it. Sleeves are very small, and in front you will get this pattern. I will add the clip, so yes, that way you will be. It's a straight A-line kurta, very simple, nothing special about it, but still I loved it. I will add the links of every clothing item in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. Prices, size and everything will be over there. So now coming on to the pajamas, like as you all know, we are at home only, and I am working from home, so I need lots of pajamas, nightwear and like housewear kind of clothes. So the first one is this black pajama. Like it's a very simple, like I don't know, like thoda grayish black. It's looking like it's a little bit grayish black. Very comfortable, little bit thick. So like for this season in Bangalore, it's perfect because it's little bit cold over here. So yeah, like this is the first pajama. Then coming on to the second pajama, that is like my favorite item of this haul, like a pajama. Like I bought dresses, tops and everything, like, but my favorite item is this pajama. This is so comfortable, guys. Like it's little bit loose for me, but I love that about it. Yeah, and it's a straight white legged pajama, and the polka dots, blue color polka dots, like it looks fabulous. Next I bought two t-shirts, like it was a pack of two t-shirts. So I love those t-shirts, so I can show you only one because the other one is in washing. So like अभी तक मैंने इसका tag भी नहीं निकाला है, I will remove it. So this is what the t-shirt looks like small stars are made on it, cotton का है, like very very comfortable. I am thinking about ordering more of this, like this company, like this brand. I think the brand is Sean Gal 69 Gal Sean. It's made in India. Absolutely amazing, very comfortable, like looks good, beautiful piece. I love. So this is the end of clothing haul, Amazon clothing haul, Flipkart clothing haul. So let me know which item you like the most, and if you are thinking about buying something, let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I absolutely love how this top is looking. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.